Hello, my dear friends. Myself, CA Vinay. From today, I am going to start the CA Foundation Revision classes. So, let us start with rectification of errors first. In this video, we are going to discuss what is rectification of errors and how it is to be done in a brief manner. So, let us see what is errors. Errors is nothing but unintentional mistakes. So, there can be three kinds of errors: error of omission, error of commission, and error of principle. In case of error of omission, there can be again two types: journal entry not at all recorded. Journal entry is recorded but posting is not done, or posting is done partially. So that is nothing but error of omission. Second one is error of commission, like clerical errors like wrong account, wrong side, wrong balance, wrong total, or wrong amount. In these cases, your trial balance will not tally. The debit will not be equal to credit. Whereas in case of error of principle, revenue expense is treated as capital expenditure or capital expenditure treated as revenue expenditure. In that case, your trial balance will tally, but it is a error which has to be rectified. When it comes to rectification of errors, there are three stages for rectification of errors. First one is before preparation of trial balance. Second one is after preparation of trial balance. Third one is after preparation of financial statements. So let us see how to do the rectification of errors at each stage. First one, before preparation of trial balance. There can be two kinds of errors: one-sided errors and two-sided errors. In case of one-sided error, error in one or more account where no journal entry can be passed. We already know that in case of double entry system of accounting, to pass a journal entry we require two aspects. One is debit aspect and another one is credit aspect. So in this kind of errors, we are not available with the two kinds of aspects for passing a journal entry. That is why we rectify the error by passing a rectification statement only. No journal entry can be passed in this case. Whereas two-sided errors, error in two or more accounts where journal entry can be passed. So by passing a journal entry, we will rectify the error. So in examination, one-sided errors before preparation of trial balance will not be asked, most probably. Okay, if you find out the question papers of the previous exams, there are no questions on one-sided errors. Most probably they will ask the questions on two-sided errors. So how to pass the rectification entry in case of two-sided errors before preparation of trial balance? There are hardly four steps for identifying the rectification entry. First one is write the correct entry. Second one is write the wrong entry. Third one, reversal of the wrong entry. Whatever is there in the debit on the wrong entry, make it credit. Whatever is credited in the wrong entry, debited. So ultimately you will get the rectification entry as entry number 1 plus entry number 3. We will see it in the sums. One of the important point when it comes to rectification of errors before preparation of trial balance is that we cannot use the suspense account because trial balance is not yet prepared, so we cannot use the suspense account here, which you have to remember. Second stage of rectification of errors is after preparation of trial balance but before preparation of the financial statements. So we have already prepared the trial balance. Trial balance debit is not equal to credit. In that case, to agree your trial balance, to tally your trial balance, we will open one account called as suspense account. Right? So in case of one-sided error where no journal entry can be passed, we will pass the rectification entry by using which account? Suspense account, where both debit and credit aspect is not available. In case of two-sided errors, the steps will remain the same: correct entry, wrong entry, reversal of wrong entry, and then rectification entry, that is 1 plus 3. Then last stage of rectification of errors is after preparation of the financial statements. That is, already we have prepared the trading account and then P&L account and then balance sheet. In your trading and P&L account, all the nominal accounts are transferred to trading P&L and they are closed. That is why if I want to pass the rectification entry, I cannot use the nominal accounts. So the steps for passing the rectification entry in case of after preparation of financial statements is same as after preparation of your trial balance, using which account? Suspense account for passing a journal entry. One main important difference is that except for nominal accounts like salary, purchases, sales, wages, printing and stationery, etc. All these incomes and expenses are there. Instead of these nominal accounts, I will use a account called as P&L adjustment accounts for writing the rectification entry. All other things will remain the same. This is a brief theory part of your rectification of errors, how to identify the errors and how to rectify those errors in your books of accounts. For your exam point of view, there will be one question on rectification of errors which will be asked from 10 to 12 marks. In every exam you can find one question on rectification of errors. In the next video we will solve the sums of the previous year question papers. Till that, study well, enjoy. Thank you.